Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As usual, today I'd like to share with you how you can use onion and rosemary oil to promote hair growth. Remember, the same recipe will help you to stop hair fall. So if you've been looking for the way how to get the best recipe for your hair daily routine, my dear, this is the best remedy for you, because you are going to learn how to make it at home, how to use it at home, and at what time you are supposed to use this home recipe. So you need only 3 products. One is rosemary oil and another one is onion. It can be red onion, it can be white onion, and then another product which you will see in this video. And don't forget that if this is your first time to watch a video from this YouTube channel, my dear, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Without wasting a lot of time, let us go to our preparation. I'll be back and I tell you more about this recipe, how to use it, how to make it, at what time you're supposed to use it. So let us go to our preparation. I'll be back soon. You need 1 piece of onion. It can be red onion, it can be white onion. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe. If you have never subscribed, invite your friends to this YouTube channel. And of course, at the end of this video, please share to your friends so that they get to know how to grow their hair using onion, rosemary, make sure that Vaseline melts. It has to melt very well, because for our preparation to take place, your Vaseline is supposed to be melting. So keep watching, guys, up the end. Remember, leaving a comment in the comment section is very important. Subscribing is also important. Inviting your friends to this YouTube channel, guys, is also important. Remember, this is your boy Coach Uganda. You can be friends on TikTok as Coach Uganda, Facebook as Coach Uganda, Instagram as Coach Uganda. But for amazing YouTube channel videos, home remedies, home recipes, my dear, you need Coach Uganda official YouTube channel. From that, you can add some drops of rosemary oil and mix very well. Remember, this is amazing video for your hair treatment. So it means you need only Vaseline petroleum jelly, rosemary oil, and an onion. Remember, onion can be red onion, it can be white onion. This is our recipe, okay, which I have prepared right now. So I want you to get this recipe, apply it on your scalp, massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes, okay, using this remedy. From that, I want you to leave that remedy to stand on your scalp from 30 to 40 minutes, okay, from 30 to 40 minutes. From that, I want you to use mild shampoo, let me say any kind of shampoo, and clean your hair, okay. But if you have time, I would request you, for better results, you can use this remedy at night when you are going to sleep, okay. Make sure that you use this remedy when you are going to sleep for better results. But make sure that when you are sleeping, you can cover your head so that you don't darten your bed sheets and at the same time your pillow. So you can use this recipe at night for better results, please. But if you don't have time, you can use it during daytime, okay. So you just leave it on your scalp for 30 to 40 minutes. Use shampoo to clean your head, guys, okay. Repeat the procedure at least 2 to 3 times in the week. You can do it on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or Sunday, Wednesday, and Monday. Only 2 to 3 days in the week, and keep doing it at least for 6 weeks. At least for 6 weeks. It means you do it minimum 2 days in the week for 6 weeks, or you can do it 3 days in the week for 6 weeks. My dear, this is a powerful remedy which you need to promote hair growth.